You might want to block your ears.
But I can't read any written language.
Ah!
That shit.
When I...
Bueno.
What is blood doing?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
no! You're
Fontaine
gonna fucking
himself.
die.
Odin, and Sorden.
Yeah.
It's been nice knowing you, buddy.
Great.
You're driven to your knees. As you are driven to your knees... Does anyone speak Abyssal?
I do. I don't speak Abyssal, my bad.
Question.
Oh!
30.
Alright. Yeah.
Hey!
Uh-oh.
Silver dots. We did something!
Okay, I got advantage. Ooh, it's 10.
Ooh!
I need...
Holy
I'm out of the lead.
You didn't get hit.
Jesus.
Bang.
Let's go!
I feel like I got so 10 is up right here. So in case he goes right.
Yeah. Silver bobs.
Silver barbs!
Baldur's Gate 3.
Okay. Butter dog,
Dog with a butter.
Oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh. Well, he did it!
So big vibe. You could get high.
Yeah.
Let me roll quick.
Vein thrombosis. Come.
Good shit.
49.
Okay.
Do this, brother.
Oh.
Ceiling? He doesn't have his thing. It's his composure.
Orin. I'm dashing feed.
You are. You? Still on one arm.
Times.
Do it. Just
Not hit, so can I peerless aim that?
Yeah. Silver bobs.
Ooh.
How many of those do you have left?
2 more.
That's silver bobs. Silver bobs. Silver bobs. Silver bobs.
That hits.
Pling, pling. Cool.
Yeah.
Pizza, pizza. Easy pizza. It's actually pizza, pizza. Okay, sure. Yeah, but you're doing full down. I'll pull to your knees. Wet.
Oh,
dude.
Whoa.
Yes, everyone's telling me.
Oh.
Oh.
That one. 26. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna pay! I hope I hit this.
The black.
30.
You.
Oh.
All driven to your knees. Zariel.
Bruh.
You're all driven to your knees. On your knees. Drives you to your knees. Kneeling. Kneeling. To kneeling. Game recognized game. And final boss. You see.
The rocks.
Counterspell that.
Counterspell the counterspell. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh!
Bagels. Oh, speed! Come on.
Fuck!
Tiamat. Like black.
Oh!
God damn.
Should I?
Can we get much higher?
Like the rock. Okie dokie.
D-arm. Yeah, D-arm.
Black. You are driven to your knees.
Raymond.
Bag. 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 Bag.